Alright, here's our second video on negative exponents. So if you're not sure what to do with a negative exponent, go ahead and watch the first video before coming back to this one. Well, if you notice these four examples, they don't even have any negative exponents. So when we see problems like this in the chapter, what the directions say is they say to write the expression with negative exponents. This is the only time that we're okay with having negative exponents. So we want our final answer to have the negative exponent. So we have 1 over x squared. You notice that that's a positive 2. So how do we change the sign of that exponent? If you need to change the sign of your exponent, whether making it negative or making it positive, you grab the exponent with its base and you move it. It's in the bottom, we're going to move it to the top. When it comes up to the top, you have an x to the changes signs, negative 2 power. It is still over 1. See how it's in the top of a fraction? Writing it over 1 is totally optional. You could just have x to the negative 2 or x to the negative 2 over 1. Alright, next example. We need to rewrite this with a negative exponent, 1 over m to the 4th. Because I need to change the sign of my exponent, I'm going to move it. So I grab the exponent with its base. It's coming up here. That movement, the m stays the same, but that exponent will become negative. Put it over 1 just to show that there's nothing left down there. M to the negative 4th. See how quick these are. Alright, w to the 9th power. It's positive. I need it to be negative, so I'm going to move it. If you need to change the sign of your exponent, you move it in your fraction. It's going to come up here. The w stays. The positive 9 becomes negative. It's over 1. Write it if you want. Doesn't matter to me. Oh, look, this one has the same exponent. Look at that. So it's a positive 9. I want to change that to a negative 9, so I have to move it. Your base of n stays the same, changes the sign of your exponent, so negative 9 over 1. And that's how you get negative exponents if you have positive ones.